does he think he is?
I think he's
you piece of shit.
What?
Who do you think you are?
Huh?
Is that a good thing what he did or a bad thing?
No, that's a good thing.
Take it back.
Alright, boys, welcome to the channel. Mac Dr. Bill. Start by saying thanks and I appreciate every single one of you has subscribe, like, and comment. I thank you for your support. Alright, boys, so it seems like we're gonna get some snow a little bit. That do not stop me. I'm still working on the EK, on the turbo EK. So I'm gonna show you a little update, what we're doing today, how much we have done, and things we are doing. Let's get it. Alright, boys, so scoop of what I have done. Got this done last night. All done and set in place. I flare my piping. I show how to do that. Got the pipe for this side ready to go. I was waiting on my coupling, which the packet hatch arrived. So I'm gonna finish this real quick and we're gonna proceed with today's video. Today we're doing a AEM band. We're installing on the gauge inside, and we also gonna run the vacuum lines for the we're running a vacuum line, a T line for the blow off valve today, and see how much we can get done. That's for the waiting. Let's get it. All right, I got my 90s, but they're not what I expected. I'm still gonna use them. These are like extremely hard plastic. Compared to the other ones, they're like soft gelatin. So they still work. I was just doing my measurements. Like always, gonna have to do a little customization. So piping is already done. This goes here. Of course, the coupling goes here on both sides with B-bands. Same on this side. Just a little long. So I'm gonna have to trim the plastic itself simply there so that I could join it with the two couplings on both sides, and that should be good money. So I'm gonna make my measurement, get to cutting, most likely right on the line. Should be good money. So now we give it a little space, like right around there, so we could have space for the B-band, like right there, look good, you know. And yeah, I could always move this over a little bit if I have to. So I'm gonna trim this and we're gonna throw it in. Let's get it. Alright, that's finally in place. It's a matter of just finding two more B-bands that I have and tie them up. That piping is completed. This is not what the video was about, but being that I was waiting on it, we're throwing it in here so we could see it fully complete. Let's move on. That's already done. I gotta order me one more big band clamp for here, because being that these 90 came hard paws, not like the gelatin ones that you could literally slide over, so I end up using one more. But every connection is in place, every coupling, the whole piping is tied up, the whole intercooler is finished. Right down to the bottom with the turbo housing is at was. So that's looking money. Piping is officially finished. Alright, so that being done, we're gonna move on to the rest of the video today. Just like that, boys. You got your boost gauge, and we have your air and fuel ratio. Man, so pretty stoked. Just like this side, I'm gonna put the wiring for the back only right now, so I do not misplace it. I still gotta connect the electrical to it. There's a sensor band that goes to it, so I'm waiting for a raining day that I could do that. You know, I'd rather take it to somebody that's gonna actually get it done for me, right? When it comes to electrical, I don't like playing games. I already got it by the alternator, so I'm gonna just simply put over here for now. There we go, just like that. Boom. Definitely transformed the look. Alright, check it out now. Pretty cool. Don't have to see that empty space. That's actually gonna be functional soon. You guys see it's got the boot gauge in there. See if you can see it. Yeah. There we go. Alright. The boost gauge, and we got the air and fuel ratio, band. Final look completed for the inside. We got the new spoon shift nut. Pretty stoked. It's only so much you could do in the inside. I got the car stock inside, full interior. I don't want to take it apart. Definitely don't want the car to look apart. So, we're looking good, boys. One more thing we complete on the car today. And one more thing on the checklist I don't have to worry about. I gotta run my electrical wires, like I said, but boost gauge is not gonna be doing any boost right now at the moment, so that's why I want to wait so that I run both of these bands correctly in the right spot, and I don't splice any wires and I do it correctly. But that's the look I was going for, definitely. A lot cleaner, and it's gonna have its functionality when it comes to it. Hell yeah. Again, it comes with your wiring harness, your band sensor. We have to put this one that we put the down pipe and all that in the new location. So this is something that I'm saving in the box with the instructions for the B band, for the AM band, so that we will connect it. We'll have everything properly the way it should. Alright, pretty stoked, boys. Things is coming along little by little. Next video we'll do the boost gauge with the T lines for the vacuum lines. I'll run my line to the top of the turbo to the sandwich plate with the oil filter, you know, drop oil. You know, we got a few little things to come to, but things is looking good. Y'all let me know how things is looking. Pretty stoked.